All right, we're out here today. Ireland's he got this helicopter at Christmas. He's been waiting all year, all few months. The weather's been crappy, except for hovering in the house. But here's the second day flying outside with his OMP Hobby M1, and that thing is badass, right?
Yeah.
We both got one. He's got the purple, and these are the Spectrums because we have, we fly Spectrum radio. So, so far I love it, right?
Oh yeah.
Guys, this is the helicopter, man. This direct drive feels really good. Can't wait for the Blade though. What is that one going to be called? That just got released?
It's like the Infusion.
Fusion direct drive? Oh, Infusion, yeah. So Ireland's just doing some first flights with the M1. And this thing is pretty nice. Very agile, quick, small, precise. I mean, everything. It's everything we wanted it to be. So just a short video showing it on his thoughts of flying it outside. It's a little breezy. Look at the trees. It's a little breezy out for sure. This thing handles the wind easy, right?
Oh yeah.
I mean, I haven't flown mine outside yet. He's just doing some circuits back and forth just to get used to it and flying with this breeze and everything. So he'll be doing some 3D soon, I hope.
I can do it on the computer.
Yeah, he's been doing a lot of computer over the winter, simulators and stuff like that. It's just that, we have the Blade 150s, which is a great copter. But this direct drive is just a different beast. And it being so small.
It looks really good.
Plus, it just looks really good, yeah. And then the next one, I think we're going to look into the M2s. Setting it up was rather easy. You just got to get the Spectrum satellite receivers. He's using, which radio do you have?
DX8.
DX8 he's got. You've seen Ireland in a lot of old videos. Some of you guys probably miss seeing him. He's been on my channel, well, our channel for years. So it's good to see him doing helicopter stuff. I know we've done quad stuff, for years and years. You guys know that. Our channel's made up of hobby stuff, and S10s and Mustangs, mostly S10s. He's just getting a good feel of it. You like it, huh?
Yeah.
I got the green version, or yellow, whatever you want to call it, but it's more like fluorescent. Cool. Yeah, it's definitely breezy. The trees moving over there, man. But it handles this. It flies like a big heli, Yeah. All right, cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and like button for sure. But if you've been looking at one of these M1s, man, these guys are great. Very precise flying copters. I mean, like I said, it flies like a big copter. I've only hovered mine inside, but it's fly-barless, direct drive, powerful. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you guys. Like, subscribe.